Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title of today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this super cute hairstyle with the braids and, you know, the bubble curls, everything going on. So if you guys want to see that, definitely stay tuned. So I'm going to be starting off with this closure that I got from Nadula Hair. I do have a video on this hair as well as an update on it. But first I'm starting off by parting where I wanted to braid at on the closure. So I'm doing 2 diagonal braids, and this is how the parting is going to look. So I did 1 braid off camera just to show you guys what I'm going for, and then I'm going to show you how I braided it on camera. So before I start off my braid, I'm going to be taking some edge booster and putting that on the part of the braid. This is going to slick down any flyaways and make the braid more neat than you would if you had no product on it. After I'm done smoothing down the hair and I'm going to braid, I'm taking some hair clips and clipping the hair that I'm not going to braid out of the way. To start the braid, I'm going to part 2 pieces of the hair and then another piece right behind it and then start to braid. It's kind of hard to explain, but I'm going to just be wrapping the root of the hair around each other and gathering more hair as I move towards the back of the braid. Because the hair was so long, I also had to use the pointy part of my comb to help gather up more hair to braid. Just an FYI, I had to speed up some parts of this video because this is my first time braiding hair to the scalp that isn't mine. So in real life, I was braiding super slow, so I had to speed up some parts. I think it turned out pretty well for my first time. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section.
You say you want me, I don't ignore you. You said it first, but I let it more go. Oh yeah, you got potential, I can't explain. It's so persuasive, I made some changes. Oh yeah, where were you this whole time? Come and see me now, not enough time. You should come and see me on the regular. I don't know if we'll find a better time. Where were you this whole time? Come and see me now, not enough time. You should come and see me on the regular. I don't know
Now that I'm done braiding the front of the hair, I'm just going to be taking my Numi 1-inch wand curler and curling the hair. Also, the hairspray I'm going to be using to spray the curls is the Tresemme holding spray in the green and black can. That's a hairspray I use in almost all of my videos.
Are you there? I can't.
After curling the hair, I went ahead and finger combed out all of the curls. The hair was still super shiny, soft, and bouncy. Then after that, I took some colorful hair ties and tied it at the base of the braid as well as the end of the ponytail. I wish I had more of those colorful ones to make the bubble ponytail, but I only had black rubber bands, so that's what I'm going to use to make the bubbles in this ponytail.
In my white tee, yeah, color pipe, Williams for the hype, please. You don't white you before you white me. My boxes of checks, not my Nikes.
I'm not gonna lie, this is like almost a month later, but the curls are still holding for the most part. Yes, we love that. So we're just gonna go ahead and apply her and then take some pics. So I'm gonna be using my Bold Hold Liquid Gold and applying this wig.
Got them bamboozled like a Spike Lee. You need more than Google just to find me. I just call a beta, get a high fee.
This is too cute. Oh my god, this is too cute.
I just start the label just to sign me. Me and Chase connected like we Siamese. We been on a run, feel like a crime spree. Talk to me nicely. I see his face, see. Yeah, on his white tee.
And that's literally it. Y'all, that took less than a freaking minute. Are you joking? Oh my God, this is so cute. This is so cute. So I just did my nails. And y'all know I rarely have my nails done. Just did my nails. Got on this cute little necklace that I got from Shein. Shirt Shein, pants Shein. Lashes Shein, okay? Let's get into it. I think I'll have a video on the lashes and the nails before this. I think I'll have it linked in the cards above and in the description box down below. So go look in the description box, you guys, because if you want to save some coin, check my description box, bruh. But this is the hair. She's so cute. Now I'm about to take some pictures. Go follow me on Instagram at SimoneChanel. Like my pictures, you guys. Comment. Leave some pink hearts, because that's... Come on. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment down below, share, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.